everyone, this is Cindy, Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with another giveaway. So, because I'm calling this my Black Friday number 5 giveaway. So, every week in the month of November, I've been doing a giveaway, thankful giveaway to thank my subscribers for helping me grow my channel. So, I did have a personal goal. I don't know that I'm going to meet my goal for the year, but I'm going to get pretty close. So, I feel pretty good about that in growing my channel. So I just want to thank people for coming and watching and subscribing, giving thumbs up, and just being really supportive. So I really appreciate that. So I've been doing giveaways, and because, here in the US, Thanksgiving is big for not just food, but for kind of being the kickoff to the holiday season, kickoff to shopping and decorating and getting ready for the holidays. So I've done a lot of giveaways. There's going to be some big giveaways, or at least one really big giveaway on Sunday. So you have a whole week to comment on all the videos that I've done for this weekend, and then I will do the winners on Friday. So it'll be about a week, 5 days, 6 days, whatever, until Friday. And I'll probably be late on Friday, because I'm going to be late on Friday because by the time I get in here to make the videos, California time, it'll probably be like 7 or 8. So for a lot of you guys, it'll be close to midnight by the time I post the winner. So you have plenty of time. Anyway, I'm calling this Black Friday number 5 because I think I've done 4. And I have to start labeling these so that I know, and I just threw my cap in the trash so that I know what goes with what. So this is a Saw Crafters. So anyway, I am giving away a bunch of Saw Crafters stuff that I have. So I have some Saw Crafters, what are these? Stencils. So I have this stencil. I have this brick stencil, this one, this rock one, and this one. So I have these stencils, and then I have this telephone, kind of steampunk, and there's, I think, 3 of them in there. I have this one. I have this frame, which really is like 2 frames. I have this, and this one has 2, I think, in there. And then I have this, and this, I think, is 4 of them in there. I want to say this makes chair or a table or a crib, or it makes, I think, some kind of piece of furniture. These are fingers pointing somewhere. Some butterflies, and these can all be painted and altered. I have some old videos on my channel where I've made and showed some Saw Crafter stuff that I've done, and I still have some of her stuff, so I should start making some of that stuff and showing you guys. It's pretty cool, actually. These heads, these ants, and I think these are keys. I don't know what these are. Whatever that is. And then here's a bunch of sentiments. Tons of sentiments. And then light bulb. So, to win, it's really simple. Leave a comment and let me know a YouTuber that you watch that you don't think many people watch. You know what I mean? Like, they don't have a lot of subscribers. So if there's someone that you watch who is an under 3,000 subscribers, then if you could post their name, that'd be great, like their YouTube name, so that we can give that, them an opportunity to be discovered by the rest of us. If you don't have anybody that you really, watch, then maybe you can talk about what your favorite things to watch are on YouTube, like your favorite crafting videos. But I prefer that you give a shout out to someone that you like, who's got, you know, a lower subscriber count. I mean, we all know the Bonas and a lot of the big namers on here who have like 20,000 or 8,000, 10,000 subscribers. We kind of know who they are. But I would love for us to kind of give shout outs to people who are still kind of waiting, and they do great things and they're newer. So that'd be great if you could do that. And if you don't know their exact name, channel, or whatever, that's fine. If you know their name, that's cool. Um, or you can put, the favorite kind of videos you like to watch. That's fine too. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.